In your dashboard, first we're going to click the products tab, then in the products tab you click the collections tab, then go to your right side, the top right button saying create collections, and we're going to title the collection. In this case it will be wigs because I'm working on a wig website. If you want, you could write a description at the bottom. Then I'm going to add an image for the collection image. I'm just going to add any image, and yeah, click any image, and then I click choose, and there's my image. And then we go down to conditions, and the conditions are what are connected to the product. So one of the conditions would be product tags would be wigs and wig. So you would have to be very careful with the wording in your product tabs and your product types. So I will be adding the wig and wigs in the types and tags. You could also write product title if you have the same tags in the title of the product, but in this case I didn't. I just wanted to show that as an example. So I will be oh, actually that's for the vendor. I will be deleting that. And then you just go up and click save on your right corner, and that's it. See, that was easy peasy. Now I'm going to show you how that is added. It will show all the products that is added. The reason why these products are added because these tags are actually, the tags and types are added in the products, which I will show you very soon. So we're going to head over to the products. As you'll see here, anytime soon. Okay, so we head over to the products, and I will select anyone to show you exactly what I mean by the tags and types and how that is affected and how that connects to the collection. So I'm just going to pick the first one to show you. As you can see where it says organization, where it says wigs, the wig type, that is where the connection to the collection and the product is connected. So I would write wig here so it could connect to the collection, wig and wigs. Also we have the wig, the product type, as well as wigs. Unfortunately you could only put one there for the wig type, I mean the product type, and I saved that change, as you can see. And now I'm going to show you how to add this collection to the home page. So we're going to click the online store and we scroll down to themes. Then we go to customize, the green button right there, customize. And on the left menu, you click featured collection, and we click collection, select collection, and we're going to click wigs. This is the same collection that we were working with, and then click select, and there we have it. there's our collection. And then we go to the right and save. And there it is. It's saved to the home page. And we just click back. So to get back to your dashboard, you just click the top left button. And that is it for this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, until next time, see ya. Bye.